Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I did some exclusive trendy designer sarees collections with designer blouses also. So let me display this one in a very beautiful one, elegant looks also. Let me display. And this one very beautiful color combinations, pure resham silk, handloom resham silk with hand weaving jamdani buta design all over base. Very nice color combinations, baby pink shade and golden zari half-inch highlighted border, and pure resham silk and with beautiful jamdani buta design all over base. Very trendy and smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully hand weaving fine jamdani work, highlighted pallu, fully hand weaving work. This one is beautiful design and all over buta work, nice color combinations and very lightweight also. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and smart looks. Hakoba blouse, hakoba material with beautiful fine embroidery work. Inside have cotton cloths. This portions front portion, and this one is back portions. Very trendy and smart looks. This one is frill design, hakoba blouse, very trendy and smart elegant looks with fine embroidery design work. And this one full set, very trendy and fashionable looks. And this one also very beautiful and elegant looks, based for your festive wear. Premium quality muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work all over base. Very trendy and traditional looks, based for your Durga Puja wear. Very nice and festive look. This one is full base part, white base muslin silk all over, fine hand weaving jamdani work, contrast red color half-inch highlighted border, and all over fine jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani work all over base muslin silk. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful and gorgeous traditional looks, and pallu end highlighted contrast red stripes. And this one is full base part, transparent muslin silk with hand weaving jamdani work all over base. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and smart looks. This one is front portion, and this one is back portions, beautiful embroidery design, very trendy and smart elegant look. And this one is front, and chanderi silk material base. So inside have cotton cloth nylon, and this one is hand portions, also embroidery design. And this one full set, based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear. Very nice and traditional looks. This one also fashionable looks, fancy looks, very trendy one. Pure premium quality satin material with beautiful fine embroidery design work, fully hand embroidery. This one is full base part, fully satin material, premium quality, soft one, fancy looks, false material with beautiful fine embroidery design border. Very trendy and smart fashionable looks, all over border design. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and smart look. This one is fully designer work, frill type, umbrella cutting hands, and this one is front portion, and this one is back portions, fully designer work. And this one is full set, very trendy and fashionable, smart and bright looks, based for your festive wear, fancy wear, very trendy looks. And this one traditional and smart elegant designer looks, premium quality soft resham dhakai jamdani material with beautiful hakoba material highlighted stripes. This one full base part, soft resham dhakai jamdani all over self weaving dhakai work, and the beautiful hakoba material stripes design all over. Very trendy and smart fashionable looks. And this one is pallu portions, also same contrast color stripes, self weaving dhakai with highlighted hakoba stripes design, and same material hakoba blouse, contrast ready-made blouse. This one is front portion, and this one is back portion, and this one is hand. Very trendy and smart fashionable looks, and this one is full set, very beautiful smart trendy looks, trendy and traditional looks. also in a very beautiful and smart looks, natural fabric lane by lane. Let me open this one in a full base part, very nice and trendy looks, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with highlighted Dhakai pattern weaving design work border, very nice color combinations, golden zari border, zari weaving Dhakai work all over border portions, and this one is full base part, very trendy and smart look. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color with highlighted with golden zari weaving buta work, highlighted pallu, very trendy and smart looks, and this one is full base part, Dhakai pattern weaving design work border, natural fabric lane by lane, bright color based for your festive wear, and this one beautiful designer blouse. This one is silk material, inside have cotton lining and contrast color piping with beautiful design embroidery border, and this one back portion, and this one is front. Very trendy and fashionable smart looks, and this one is full set, very beautiful and smart bright looks. Very beautiful and bright looks, fully festive looks, very nice one. This one full base part, premium quality semi georgette base, all over buta work, highlighted contrast color border, dye border with fine weaving design work, very trendy and smart elegant festive looks. This portion is border portions, contrast color dye border with fine weaving design work, and this one is full base part, very bright and smart looks, and this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color dye pallu with beautiful weaving design, heavy weaving design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part buta work all over same buta design, very trendy and smart looks, and this one designer blouse, very nice one, silk material and frill type net material hand sleeves, and this one is back portions, fully designer piece, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, and this one is full set, very beautiful smart one. And this one also very beautiful one, nice bright color combinations. Let me open. This one also very beautiful and bright looks, nice color combinations, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, sequin design, temple pattern border, very trendy and bright gorgeous looks. This one border portions, golden zari border and full border portions, temple pattern weaving design, sequin work all over base. This one is pallu portions, contrast color with sequin stripes design with weaving polka design, zari weaving, very trendy and bright looks, lightweight, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, sequin base stripes design, and this one is border portions, fully temple pattern weaving design work border and handloom cotton silk material. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this designer blouse, fully silk material and beautiful designer piece. This one is front portion, and this one back portions, very trendy and smart looks, and this portion is sleeves, very beautiful smart and trendy looks, and this one is full set, very beautiful smart combo. And this one also nice color combinations, malmal cotton with beautiful cotton designer blouse. This one smart looks, premium quality soft malmal cotton all over print, and this one batik printed one. This one full base part, very trendy and smart looks, half this portion, and this one is split sections, contrast color batik printed splits, and this one is upper base part, and this one is pallu and patli pallu pattern, same contrast color with batik printed one, and very soft one, malmal cotton, and I will suggest this contrast ready-made blouse, fully designer piece, premium quality cotton fabric, inside have cotton lining, well finished, and this one is hand portion, and this one is back portion, very trendy and smart looks, beautiful finishing, and this one is full set, very nice one. Very beautiful nice color combinations, premium quality natural fabric lane by lane with batik print, and nice color combinations, pink, baby pink shade, silver zari border, all over lahariya pattern, batik printed one. This one, full base part, beautiful, smart, trendy, fashionable looks, a natural fabric layer by layer with batik print. This one, full base part, and this portion is silver zari border, all over printed one. This one is running blouse piece, very trendy and smart looks, and I will suggest this designer blouse, fully cotton fabric, nice printed designer blouse, very trendy and fashionable looks. Inside have cotton cloth lining, and this one back portion, and this one is front portion, very trendy and smart, elegant looks, and this one is full set, very beautiful one. And this one also very nice one, fully designer piece. Let me open. This one is beautiful design work, premium quality tissue layer material with beautiful hand design work, Jardosi work. This one full base part, very trendy and fashionable looks, highlighted half-inch highlighted contrast border, and all over mirror with beads embroidery design work, fully hand design, very trendy looks, fully festive wear, beautiful one, all over design work. This one is running blouse piece, all over designer work, silver shiny material, and this one pallu portions, beautiful sequin stripes design with hand design work, mirror with embroidery design, highlighted work pallu, and all over design work, very trendy and bright festive looks. And I will suggest this designer blouse, butter cotton fabric with beautiful digital printed one, and fully designer piece. This one is front portion, and this one back portions, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, black base printed one, bright printed shiny material, and this one is full set, very exclusive one. And this one nice color combinations, semi cotton base with all over printed one. Let me open. This one is full base, soft one, smart and trendy look, semi cotton base, all over printed one, mustard yellow shade, very trendy and smart, elegant, fashionable looks, and very comfortable, also summer friendly. This one is pallu portions, highlighted printed pallu, and this one is all over base, very nice and fresh looks, all over same printed one, easy drapable, soft one. And I will suggest this designer blouse, fully cotton fabric. This one is front portion, inside have cotton cloths, well finished, lined, and this one back portion, and this one is beads ball, very trendy and smart and elegant looks, cotton fabric, soft one, premium quality cotton, and this one is full set, very beautiful and bright elegant looks, very smart and trendy looks with designer ready-made blouse, very nice one, soft one, premium quality cotton fabric, silver zari border, and all over printed one, kalamkari printed, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, based for your office wear, professional wear, very smart one. This one is contrast color border with highlighted silver zari, and this one full base part, beautiful kalamkari printed one. This portion is pallu portions, contrast color stripes with beautiful highlighted kalamkari printed pallu, and this one full base part, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, chanderi silk material, highlighted self weaving stripes on fabric, and this one is contrast madhubani printed cotton fabric, highlighted border. This one is neck portion, and this one back portions, very trendy and elegant looks, beautiful designer piece, and this one full set, the fashionable smart and bright looks, and this one also very beautiful one. Nice color combinations, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, highlighted golden zari temple pattern weaving design work border, and all over nice printed one, This one, full base part, very bright and beautiful looks based for your festive wear also. This one, border portions, golden zari temple pattern weaving design work border, temple pattern printed, highlighted also. And this one is middle portions, beautiful kalamkari printed. And this one is pallu portions, contrast golden zari with contrast color stripes pattern printed pallu. And this one, full base part, very elegant and bright looks. This one is full base. This portion is border portions, very trendy and fashionable looks based for your Durga Puja wear also. And this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse, ready-made blouse. This portion is front portion, inside have cotton cloths, well finished. And this one, back portions, very beautiful one. This one is back, this one is front, and this one is, sleeves, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks. And this one is full set. Also, very beautiful and smart, trendy looks, designer piece, very nice one, premium quality cotton slab material, all over katha stitch pattern, stitching design, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks, grey with contrast color stripes design, and beautiful katha stitch pattern weaving stripes design all over base, very nice and fresh looks, grey base, very elegant color combinations. This one, full base part, cotton slab, soft one, premium quality. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, beautiful stitching stripes pattern, highlighted pallu. And this one is full border, full base part, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks. And I will suggest this designer blouse, fully cotton fabric, premium quality printed. And this portion is hand portions, and this one is front, and this one, back portions. Inside have cotton cloth, very trendy and smart, elegant looks, premium quality cotton fabric, well finished. And this one is full set, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, khadi cotton base with beautiful embroidery border design, and very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base part. Let me open. This one is full base part and premium quality, soft, comfortable khadi cotton base, grey base with beautiful design work, fine embroidery, hand embroidery design work border, very trendy and smart looks, all over border design, fine embroidery. And this one is full base part, very smart and trendy looks. And this portion is pallu end, very nice one and soft, comfortable. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and smart looks, cotton fabric printed with highlighted neck portions. And this one is hand, same embroidery border, beautiful design work. And this one is back portions, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful combo. And this one also, nice bright color combinations, premium quality khadi cotton base with beautiful hand pricked katha work all over base, very nice and fresh looks, bright green shade. This one, full base part and fully hand pricked katha stitch design work border. And this portion is pallu portions, highlighted katha stitch design work pallu. And this one is full base, soft, summer friendly, smart looks, and fully hand pricked katha work all over base. And I put this designer blouse, fully cotton fabric with Gujarati work, hand Gujarati work katha stitch design, very trendy and smart, elegant looks. Inside have cotton cloths in the lining. And this one is full set, very beautiful, smart looks, very beautiful, bright looks, designer looks, very bright one based for your festive wear. Bright red shade, maroon red shade with beautiful fine embroidery work, traditional border, pure organza silk with beautiful fine embroidery butta design, contrast color, highlighted Banarasi weaving design work border and pallu. This one, beautiful heavy golden zari weaving design work, highlighted pallu with pom-pom design. And this one, full base part, very nice and fresh for embroidery design. And this one, running blouse piece, fully brocade work, contrast color running blouse piece, and I will suggest this designer blouse. Very nice looks, premium quality, pure silk material with Banarasi weaving buta work with fine embroidery design, and this portion is hand portions, also beautiful embroidery design and cutwork design. Very trendy and smart traditional looks also, and this one back portions, very nice and fashionable smart looks, and this one is full set based for your festive wear, very bright and gorgeous looks. This one is hand, and this portion is neck portions, very beautiful one. Inside have cotton cloths, well finished, very trendy and fashionable looks. And this one also very beautiful one, nice color combinations, elegant looks, premium quality khadi cotton base with beautiful hand weaving buta design, contrast color border, and very soft one, comfortable premium quality handloom khadi cotton, contrast color border all over, beautiful weaving hand weaving buta design, and very soft one, premium quality khadi cotton. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving design work, highlighted pallu, and soft one, easy droppable, smart and elegant looks. This one is full base all over buta design, contrast border, very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this batik printed cotton fabric designer blouse. This portion is front portion, very trendy and fashionable looks, batik printed one, and this one is back portions, and this one is sleeves, very trendy and smart elegant looks. This one is full set. And this one also very beautiful, smart, bright looks. Let me open. Premium quality handloom soft silk material, contrast color, traditional weaving border, Banarasi border, and all over beautiful digital printed one, and buta work also all over buta design, golden zari with digital printed one, and very soft, lightweight, easy droppable. And this one is heavy Banarasi weaving work, traditional border, and this one is all over base. And this one running blouse piece, fully brocade work running blouse piece, and this portion is pallu portions, heavy fine contrast color with Banarasi weaving heavy worked pallu, and this one is border portions, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this designer blouse, fully Banarasi work buta, and this one is front portions, premium quality silk material, Banarasi weaving heavy work buta. This one is sleeves, and this one back portions, very beautiful and smart, bright looks, bright color combinations, and this one is full set, very nice one. Also very beautiful one, smart look, semi cotton base, and beautiful smart printed one, very soft, comfortable, smart and fresh looks. This one is full base part, beautiful nice printed one. This portion is border portions, highlighted golden zari 1-inch border, and beautiful contrast color printed border, and very soft, comfortable, elegant looks all over printed. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full pallu portions, beautiful printed one, very lightweight, comfortable, smart and fresh looks. And this one is border, very nice one. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and smart, fashionable looks, premium quality fabric. Inside have cotton cloths, and this one soft silk material with beautiful digital printed one. This portion is back portion, this one is hand, and this one front portions, very nice and fresh look, soft one, well finished. Inside have cotton lining, and this one full base part, very trendy and smart, elegant looks. And this one also bright color combinations, handloom one, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful weaving border design, very nice and trendy look, soft, lightweight. This one is full base part, this portion is border portion, zari stripes with beautiful weaving border design, and this one is upper portion, this one is bottom area, bright color combinations, fully highlighted zari stripes. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color stripes pattern, highlighted pallu, and this one is border, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this designer cotton fabric printed ikat printed blouse. This portion is neck portions, beautiful designer neck, and this one is hand portions. Inside have cotton cloths, and this one is back portions. Very nice and trendy looks, well finished, stitched also, fine stitched, and this one is full set. Very beautiful, smart and elegant looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, premium quality soft silk with printed one, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, best for your daily wear. This one is kalamkari printed one, best for your daily wear, office wear, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full set. This portion is border portions, fully temple pattern, contrast color, fine weaving design work, border with highlighted printed one, and all over base kalamkari printed, very trendy and smart elegant looks, kalamkari printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this portion is border portion and very lightweight, comfortable, best for your daily wear. And I will suggest this designer blouse. Very trendy and smart looks, premium quality cotton fabric, indigo blue with batik printed one fabric, and this one is front portion, and this one back portions, very trendy and smart one, and this portion is hand portions, very beautiful designer looks, and this one is hand sleeves, and this one is neck portions, well finished, stitched, comfortable, beautiful, bright and elegant looks. This one is full set. And today I have developed a beautiful bright color saree, pure premium quality georgette base, all over plain with highlighted sequin, golden sequin stripes design, all over saree, very trendy and smart, fashionable looks, false material, premium quality georgette with beautiful designer blouse, same material, georgette material with sequin and frill type hand sleeves, very trendy and smart looks, beautiful saree and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.